Guys, greetings to everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth and on this channel I do cleaning, motivation, laundry motivation and grocery haul videos. So today I am sharing with you a cleaning motivation video. I'm cleaning my bedroom. It is on a Monday, which is Easter Monday when I was filming this video. So in the morning I wake up very early, went to my mother's place. If you can see, I've posted the previous video. It was a laundry motivation where I did my laundry from my mother's place. So after doing that, I came back and hanged it in my laundry line so that it can dry at my own space. So after doing laundry, I went ahead and cleaned this bedroom. I left here and it was only my daughter who was in the house. She is big enough at least to can do other things. I found her cleaned the dishes and the kitchen. So the bedroom was, as you can see, not looking very good. Everything was all over the place. The blankets were looking upside down. So I am starting by cleaning everything that doesn't belong there, putting them away like clothes, putting them away where they belong in a laundry basket or in the wardrobe. But most of the laundry that was there, most of the clothes that were there were my kids' clothes. You would see I'll be packing them and putting them in a car because I wanted to take them home on a later stage after cleaning and bathing them, and me also bathing, getting ready to go and do some errands. So that's why I was putting those clothes in the car already. I am laying in my bed. As usual, I wake up and lay my bed, but I left people here sleeping. So that's why it was looking like that. And it was around 10 o'clock in the morning when I was laying this bed. And it was a kind of weathery day. It was a little bit drizzling. It rained actually. You could see, I have a clip showing you that after cleaning this, after mopping, when I was ready to go out, it started raining and my laundry was on the line also getting wet again. So let's get into cleaning my bedroom. Oh, and by the way, I am so happy that finally I got to install those tiles. I installed them 2 weeks back before Good Friday. So it's only now that I am doing a video in the bedroom after installing the tiles. I was just making the place look clean and neat. It was dusty all over, so I couldn't film by that time. I had to clean everything first so that I can be able to clean thoroughly and smoothly without any obstacles or without any disturbance. So I finally got my bedroom tiled, and it's an easygoing cleaning with tiles. You just sweep and mop and dust that. Those things that were on the floor, like they were old and tattered, nidikgerile, mabu a tsena ka mo fatshe when I was sweeping. So it was a mission to clean this bedroom before tiling. And sometimes when it rains, the rain that comes from the door, the rain that comes through the door, it just go under the tapete, straight under the tapete, and I couldn't do anything about it, about that water. So right now, if the water comes, I will mop it so freely and the place will go back to normal. Unlike that water that has to stay under the tapete until it dries on its own. And it was not drying quickly, and it sometimes causes a blocked nose because it's cold because of that water. So these are the bags and the plastics that should go into the car. These are my kids' clothing. at how the floor looks beautiful. It's so beautiful. I am happy there is a progress in my house and easy life of cleaning. So I am happy that finally I managed to get it tiled, because the person that was tiling was kind of in a contract job. So the contract finished and he came back and finished his job. And it's a job well done, guys. They installed these tiles in one day. I didn't want it to be in consecutive days, because, guys, everything that was in this bedroom, I have put it in the kitchen. So you can imagine bed and the wardrobe. Actually, the wardrobe was outside. I was just praying that no rain should fall. So bed, two bed, table, the sofa, the cupboard, all in one space. It was not looking good. So I wanted them to just get it done within a day. And they did just that. I was so happy.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive, I take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million slow down now. I feel lonely, but I'm so unworthy. My heart feels heavy, I'm lost already. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Please help me see the things that I am. I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
I don't wanna see you. I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you. You don't wanna know if I feel alright.
I am using Dettol floor cleaner disinfection product, so it works magic. I love it. I love the smell, and it's for a keep.
I don't wanna just forgive you, I just wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I'm gonna be the one for another one. Hey you, maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I don't wanna see you, I don't wanna fear you tonight. You don't wanna know me, you just wanna make sure you're right. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna feel you tonight. Got me. Got me. Can I hear you? Got me. Got me. Can I hear you? I don't wanna call you. I don't wanna know what you think. I'm the one you go to whenever you feel like you're about to sink. I don't wanna just forget you, but I wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I could become the one for another one. Hey you, maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna fear you tonight. Got me. Got me. Yeah, me, got me, got me. Can I hear you? Got me. I don't wanna see you. I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you. You don't wanna know if I feel alright.
See the drops of rain falling into that bucket. That's when it started to rain just after I finished cleaning, and I am so happy. It looks so good. The tiles are shining. Everything is clean, back to normal. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing. If you are new, my name is Elizabeth, and please consider yourself a member of this family, because we do tons of cleaning motivation, laundry motivation, and grocery hauls. So keep on watching other videos. I have a lot of videos. So put that bell on, and I love you so much. Thank you, and bye guys.